Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the andobil magnetic wireless car charger. It is a redefined car charger for our smartphone and it's special for the iPhone designs. It's compatible with Magsafe. It's a fan car charger mount. And it is a magnetic wireless car charger mount for our iPhone 13 Pro, Max 13 Pro, Max, the 12 Pro and Max. You can see all these devices will fix or matches to this car charger. The andobil Magsafe car mount charger maintains a constant charging frequency, which provides epic security for the iPhones. Automatic voltage adjustment enables charging at speeds nearly identical to the official Magsafe chargers. And compared with the common 6 and 52 magnets on the market, this here is the 12 and 55 magnets provides 5.6 pounds strong magnetic strength and incredible stability, which tailored for Magsafe. Easily secure our iPhone, no longer let it drop on bumpy roads. If we have not a Magsafe case, we don't worry, okay? Included are prepared two unique magnetic rings for us. We stick it on the case we love. Low compatible with Magsafe is now. Yeah, now it's compatible. That's awesome. Just enjoy the incredible Magsafe lock here. And of course, these rings you can use on other devices out there to dock this onto this device. That means if you have a G standard device, you can use that rings to connect them. Of course, the manufacturer does say this is only for the iPhone 12 and 13 and above, but I think it is compatible to more out there because of these magnetic rings which are included, or you can buy additional rings on the market too. Perfectly, it is compatible with the Magsafe, okay, with Magsafe on our smartphone and Magsafe cases. That means iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 and iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro, and the standard iPhone 12 is compatible too. They have prepared a unique magnetic ring for us to fit the most standard phone cases with that. We just gently place our iPhone on the Magsafe car charger mount to achieve an automatic alignment, which reduces our charging tedious wide steps. Indulge in FaceTime, surfing, or navigate with the green battery all the time while we are driving. For such a huge air vent upgrade, they had to completely redefine. They embedded a lot of metal materials inside the air clip. Even if we drive on rough roads for a long time, it can maintain the same stable performance as before. It is snap, charge, and go. The Magsafe car charger mount is stable magnet, Magsafe charge, powerful PD 3.0, and automatic snap. The Magsafe simple, designed to keep up with the iPhone 13 series, 12 series, and all Magsafe cases, nearly all Magsafe cases. And we can upgrade the phone case to the Magsafe because these magnetic rings are included in the box. And we have PD with 3.0 power, so charge so professional, built to create a breakthrough charging experience. This is awesome. This is 1 hour charging comparison to others of 45% more power and 5.6 pounds strong magnet strength. The double ring and 55 magnet enable precise alignment. That's awesome. and perfect for 99% of car fans. Of course, you cannot attach this to your smart, okay? To your smart for two, because there are so round circle fans. That's not compatible, and I think the Audi A3 Sportback does have the same, but I think an other car with a standard van design will fix that, and you can attach that easily, and then it is really easy because there is a ball head on top, and you will push it together. Then you tighten the screw, the one screw with the ball head, and then you have this mount installed easily on the fan. If you push it in position, you can rotate the big. You can rotate the mount screw to get this on place. If this is there, of course, you have to buy a 12-volt power adapter for your car, and then you can dock this power supply to the power supply here, and then green battery all the time. We choose andobil, we choose life. Oh yeah. And this is awesome because you can drive and you can reload your battery while you are driving. That's the bad thing. You do not have to make first and look that the device is going into the holding position. You do not have to fix it there. Then you do not have to make this fixed, stable. It's easy because it's the magnetic way. This is the awesome andobil magnetic wireless car charger, and it works with the magnetic. And you can see if you rotate your phone a little bit to the side, it will be removable. And if it is in center, it will stay there. And if you have switch on the power supply, it will reload. Of course, you can use it without power supply. That's possible too, of course. But with the power supply, it's better, I think, because everything is in one device here. The andobil magnetic wireless car charger. Now it's a Redefined Car Charger for our iPhone. It's compatible with Magsafe and our fan. It's a car charger mount, a magnetic wireless car charger mount for our iPhone by the 13 series and 12 series. And of course, I think the next iPhone will match there too, because Magsafe is an awesome thing. And I think they will stay there, and they will upgrade this a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.